Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a VLOOKUP in Excel with two spreadsheets. It will be really simple and easy. When you are searching for information using a VLOOKUP in Excel, it's uncommon to have all the data you need in a single table. Most of the time, you will need to pull data from multiple sheets. There are various complex methods to achieve this, so I will show you the simplest way. First of all, open your Excel workbook. As you can see, I have already prepared two sheets for this demonstration. In sheet 1, I have this. Now I need to compare this in sheet 1 with the data in sheet 2. How can we do this? There is a simple formula that makes it easy. Here is what you need to do. Start by typing equals to VLOOKUP, bracket start, the first argument in the lookup value. This is the value you want to find. Select the cell containing this value. Next, enter a comma and select the table array, which is the range of cells where you want to search for the value. Since we are looking in the sheet 1, you will reference it like this: sheet 1 exclamation sign, a column C. This tells Excel to look into columns A through C of sheet 1. After another comma, specify the column index number. This tells Excel which column in your table array contains the data you want to retrieve. In our case, it's column 3. Finally, type false for an exact match, close the brackets and press enter. You will see the results immediately. To apply this to the entire column, simply drag the formula down. This method is the easiest way to compare data across multiple sheets using VLOOKUP in Excel. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to do a VLOOKUP in Excel with two spreadsheets. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.